Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to mark a Discord image as spoiler. So basically what that means is, like, have you seen some kind of image which is blurred and with spoilers written in it in Discord? So you can't view those kind of image without you clicking on it, alright? Like, you can view other images without clicking on it, but like those images which has the word spoiler with blur on the background, you need to click on it to view it. So basically, let me show you how you guys can make those kind of image. So it's pretty simple, but before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And before I start the video, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused. So yeah, let's start the video. So for this first download image, right now I'm doing this on desktop, but the same thing is for mobile as well, alright? Once you download the image or you find the image which you want to add spoiler, then basically let's say I want to add, spoiler in this image, which is download1.png. What I need to do is rename it. On your phone as well, you need to rename it. So what you want to do is, rename it and write spoiler at the beginning of the photo. The photo's name should begin with the word spoiler, and write underscore and then write the image's name. So let's say this is the image name. Now remember, if I wanted to write this image's name okay, I had to write spoiler underscore okay. Alright, just remember to add spoiler at the beginning of every image, okay? So after I do that, basically I open Discord. So let's say I want to share this photo on this Discord, server. What I can do is just drag this photo over here, paste it, and click on upload. Wait for some time. As you guys can see, it shows spoiler. Now other images you can randomly view, but to view this image, basically I need to click once and only I can view it. Alright, as you guys can see, I had to click it once, then only I could view it, otherwise I couldn't. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can make a spoiler image on Discord. You need to rename your image spoiler underscore and then write whatever name you want. Just remember, begin your image name with spoiler, and it has to be on capital. All the word has to be in capital. Remember that. No small word while writing spoiler underscore. Remember that. So yeah, hopefully that should have, told you how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. And yeah, I'll help you guys with it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out. Bye bye. Have a nice day.